This is Charlie, W5BAA, and I've made this video to show a STM32F769 disco board that is doing FT8 processing. Right now we're on 20 meters, and we just got through putting out a CQ. And now we're seeing the stations that we're receiving here. This is an outgrowth of a previous project where we did an STM32 disco board SDR project, and using much of the same code that we used in that project. What's different is that this is doing only FT8. The intent of this transceiver is just FT8, not even going to do any audio, but we wanted to be able to decode and encode FT8 in a standalone unit, and it works. Quite pleased. The actual hardcore FT8 stuff was done by a fellow by the name of Carlos Goba, who lives in Latvia. His call sign is YL3JG, and he's really done a top-notch job on this. And I think he's got a set of code here that does very, very good FT8 decoding. Right now we're setting out a beacon signal because you can see up in the upper right-hand corner the beacon signal is on. Right now we're receiving, and anytime I get a response back to my CQ, I log it on an SD card that is inserted into the disco board. On the display of data, the far left-hand column is a relative signal strength. The next numbers, like 1509, 681, is the audio frequency that the FT8 signal is decoded at. Then you see the actual FT8 message. And then in the far right-hand column is a measurement of the distance between my location and the receive station location. For reference, my location is in Marble Falls, Texas, and the Maidenhead locator is EM00. And down at the bottom, you'll see the time being ticked off in seconds. Then I have the longitude and latitude of my location. And then the 750 represents where the cursor is set to right now in the display. In order to get synchronization, I'm using a GPS receiver. You can barely see the GPS receiver up in the upper right-hand corner of the video. Let's see. Okay, I got misled there. But anyway, got this working. I hope to soon have a hex file available for anyone that would like to do the project. I've been putting any of the associated files out on the AQRP website that is in the Google I/O Groups family. So again, that's AQRP group. That's where you can find it. My call is W5BAA, and that's where I store the files. Again, hats off to Carlos, YL3JG, who did a great job on the code. Thank you.